Hello and welcome back to Office Life Simulator, aka the thing that has been sucking my life out of my— oh, that did not— I forgot tab doesn't work that way. Tab works from the password box back to the other one, but not from that one to the password box. I don't know why. I need to fix that. Anyhow, this is Office Life Simulator. This is the login screen, of course. This is how it looks when you actually get in. You have an email program that you can be like, I think that one said Lorem, and I got that one right, it says here. But you don't need to use the console anymore because the productivity report will tell you. And of course, the productivity report doesn't update while you're doing something, so you have to open it and, close it and open it again. But yeah, you have to find Lorem or Ipsum, and right now I'm using a Wikipedia article along with some other text to generate this. It needs some work. Oh, I got that one wrong. I'm just guessing, so you know, they're probably going to be wrong and right and wrong. Anyhow, yes, so there's an email program. You can close that. You notice there's icons. There's little program icons on these things. There's a button there that has its own icon. There's a little start menu that opens up the email program. Cool. So yeah, that's the progress of everything as it is right now. I forget if I fixed this bug. No, I have not. As you can see, we now have multiple versions of this program open. And if I close one, it closes the most recent one. Oh, this is funny. It's acting like I have multiple versions, but it's actually the same thing, so any one of those buttons will open or close it. Yeah, I need to fix that. But yeah, see, it's like a minimize button, and there's an exit button. There's no like maximize or minimize buttons, but I do want to do that at some point. That's one of many things I still need to get done in this before I release it. So that brings me on to the rest of the news with this program. I've been working on this a lot. First of all, here's my dev blog that I started about it. This is officelifesim.tumblr.com. There will be links to everything in the description as always. This is where I will be posting updates as I change things, complete with screenshots. And basically this is like every day. You might have noticed it says T-18 and now T-17 days. That's because I've set a release date for this game, and that would be June 15th, as you can see here on my itch.io page, which has my first video on it and will be updated to have this video on it. Needs like some screenshots and stuff here. I'll definitely be editing that. In fact, I'll click edit game right now. It also, as you might have noticed, linked to my dev blog over here, and this is the source. It links to this. Here you can see a little readme that's saying, hey, it's going to be on the 15th, and I need to update that stuff. Well, once I have more stuff in here, I'm gonna update this when I'm closer to release. Right now, there's not much to say. I mean, I can say there's icons, and that's not really all that exciting. The most recent source is actually here. I have two branches that I'm working on. One that's called GH Pages, which is a GitHub Pages thing, which is the latest stuff, and will also probably actually have a website in it too at some point. I should do that. And this version, which is where I'm actually working on the code. This is the actual code as it is right this moment. And here's the documentation for it, which still needs a lot of work. It's out of date still. It has things that are incomplete. And I'm about to rewrite a lot of this. So a lot of this may be completely this may not even make sense anymore after I'm done working on it today. This is my goals right now. Oh yes, I'm gonna post a poll to people when I first release it. This is stuff that I have assigned myself to get done before I actually release it. Here's my 3 milestones that I have right now. I'm dividing everything up into what I want to get done by June 15th, what I don't need but really want done eventually, and what I really want done sometime before I move on to unnecessary polishing. So you might have noticed I actually have completed one thing from feature, one thing from polish, and then of course I've completed some of the things from prototype, but it's still a work in progress. And if you look here, here's all the things I have under feature. The one thing that's closed is a computer class, because I wanted a class called computer to handle interactions between programs, and GitHub's decided to be a bit slow. There we go. Yeah, and I've actually done that now, so I closed it. I also have, of course, the polish stuff, which is nice. There's a lot of polish stuff because I've had a lot of really dumb or silly ideas or whatever. Yes, icons for everything. Since I went ahead and added icons to everything as part of my updating things to... I have a program that is a superclass of all the programs, and it is supposed to be... It has certain standards that are supposed to be followed, and one of those was icons. So I accidentally completed this issue by doing that. In fact, if you actually look at it though, this bit right here, update the taskbar to utilize that, well, it's I just forgot about that, at least for now, because it wouldn't look right. Because basically what would have to happen is I would either have to dynamically create a new image, which I might actually do now that I'm thinking about it, but that's something for way down the line. I don't care about that right now. I'd either have to create a new image and an image button and make it work that way, or I would have to have two things added, one that's a button and one that's an image, which doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that's something that I'm not going to worry about. But anyhow, this is why I've not been as on top of videos the past couple of days as I normally am, and it's just because I've been working really hard on this, because, this is the edit page. I've been working on really hard on this to release a prototype by the 15th. Right, well, I was going to additionally say to check out player.me, but player.me is down right now. I have been posting updates there, as well as I run a group on there called Monthly Games that is about making a game within a month as a kind of goal for design / concept or whatever. And this is why my release date is June 15th, because I started on it on the 16th of May. May is the month before June? Yes, it is. I started about a month before that date, so I want to get it out by that date, at least the prototype, so that it can be a monthly monthly games game. Yeah, so that's all. I'm really busy. I will try to get some more videos ready ahead of time so I don't run into possibly releasing videos late like I have a couple of times now, I think. Yeah, thanks for watching. As always, see you in space.